Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel, and in today's video is I want to show you the process of making dried fish, the whole process. So earlier I went to Nabal, then I decided to buy 2 kilos of fish because the fish this time is cheaper than before. So that let's join me to showing the process, making the process. First is look at the fish, guys. This is the kind of fish that just like a small milk fish. Small milk. It is called tamban. It is called tamban here in the Bisaya. I don't know if in other place, but here in our province, it is called tamban. So let's start. Need to wash it properly. Then take the intestine. Like this. Make sure that no make sure it's very clean. Then after, the next step is need to make like this. Need to cut the center. Sepe. We need to wash it again.
Sige, katul. Atagoy.
So the next process, guys. The next process is we need to prepare the seasoning. The seasoning and some ingredients. So, garlic. This is never forget. Garlic, black pepper powder, soy sauce, and so I need to and oo,
Abli naman eh, dami tatay. Naman eh.
the garlic. Dili anak ikaw ni tatay.
Oh.
And the vinegar.
Yan.
So next is the and the garlic. This is for the aroma to make the dried fish is smelling good. So that we need to put garlic. Then transfer the fish into other container.
Yan.
And this is the important, the salt. I will transfer it to my kuan. Salt, put the one in the top. Then
Bang.
Ayun.
black pepper. And the garlic. Need to orange it, guys. And then salt on the top. And there's salt.
Tahang sama ka sana. Atik na kama. Atik mama. Tahang sama tahang. Lakukan nasi buat
More black pepper. I want more peppery. I want a peppery taste. And paprika. This is optional only. Salt. Then vinegar. Ouch. Then soy sauce. Let's mix, guys, and then let's marinate. Marinate for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. Ouch. Very sharp. What? Smells so good. The smell is very good. Let me taste.
Sabaw.
So we need to wait for about 30 minutes to 1 hour before we put in the sun, to dry it in the sun. So after 30 minutes, guys, I need to put it into here to dry it up in the sun. While I am waiting for marination, guys, I cook fried fish for our dinner. Look. So in the evening, guys, I will put it in the top of the firewood so that the no insect cannot put it on the fish. Yes, because this kind of fermented fermented fish is the like the insect fly or what call of this that always put it in the this fermented fish, so that I put on the top of the firewood to to make it safe and to make it clean also. And also, guys, I will transfer it into the hanger clip just like the clothes because when I put it on the pan, we don't have any site here to put the dried fish, so that I will put it in the hanger clip. This is in the evening, but tomorrow, guys, if there's a sun again, I will transfer it outside to dry it in the sun.
Hi guys.
So guys, this is the day 2 of process of making the dried fish. So look, zoom in. Come here. Look. Oh my God, why there's a lack of dried fish here? Ronel, you already you try it.
What?
Look, guys, oh. Wow. The smell is very good. So it's ready to it's ready to cook or grill. This is the
Makahon lang.
it is perfect for breakfast. And look at my nails. So I'll transfer it into the inside because it's 4 p.m. here for almost 5 p.m. here, so there's no sun now. So it's already okay na. It's really go. Ipos na.